Hello students, in last class we discussed about magnetic properties of solids and radius ratio rules. Continuation to the class. In today's class we will discuss about one of the important concepts is types of ionic crystal structures. This is very important for especially objective exam. Anyhow, in subjective exam they are not asking, but for objective exam very important. So in our syllabus there are three types of ionic solids. First one is AB type, second one AB2 type, third one A2B type. All that are ionic solids. So first one AB type. So in the AB type, first of all we have to know about the arrangement of ions. In ionic solids, ions are there. How they are arranged in the crystal structure. After that, examples. Anyhow, example is not important, but this arrangement of ions very important. Next, coordination number is important, and the number of alpha units per units are also important. First one, AB type. So in that AB type, first example is rock salt type. NaCl is also known as rock salt. First, arrangement of ions. NaCl has FCC structure. First of all, you should remember that NaCl has FCC structure with octahedral arrangement. With octahedral arrangement. So NaCl has FCC structure with octahedral arrangement. Why octahedral arrangement? In last class we taught coordination number of NaCl is 6. Whenever coordination number is 6, octahedral arrangement. So this is first point. After that, coming to second point. In general, in any ionic solid, one ion, so-called large size ion forms lattice. Large size ion forms lattice. That means large size ions only closely packed. Small size ion present at voids. Small size ion present at voids. That may be the tetrahedral voids or octahedral voids. So in the NaCl structure, Cl minus and Na plus. When comparing to Na plus, Cl minus is large size. Cl minus is anion is large size. So we know that large size ion always forms lattice. Lattice means arrangement, close packing. Lattice means close packing. So large size ion is only closely packed. So Cl minus ion forms lattice. What lattice? FCC lattice. So that is the experimental fact we should remember. Cl minus ions forms FCC lattice. FCC lattice means, therefore, already in the beginning we studied. In FCC, particles located where? In FCC locations where? Corners and center of the phase. Therefore, Cl minus ions present at corners and center of the phase. Like that we should remember, it is easy. So again I am repeating, in general, in any ionic solid, large size ion forms lattice. Here large size ion is what? Cl minus. So large size ion forms FCC lattice. FCC means particles present corners and center of the phase. Therefore, Cl minus forms FCC lattice. Therefore, Cl minus present at corners and center of the phase. Coming to Na plus. When comparing to Cl minus, Na plus cation is small size. Therefore, it is small size. Small size ion. So generally small size ion present at voids. So in any close packing, one ion is closely packed. For example, NaCl structure is there. Cl minus ions forms lattice. Therefore, Cl minus ions are closely packed. So these are Cl minus ions. So Cl minus ions are closely packed in FCC arrangement. So Cl minus ions are closely packed. That close packing means nothing but FCC close packing. FCC another name CC2. Both are same. So Cl minus ions are closely packed in FCC. Nothing but CC2 arrangement. Whenever Cl minus ions are closely packed, between the Cl minus ions some empty spaces are there that are nothing but void. Mnemonic I given. Location of octahydroids and tetrahydroids. What is the mnemonic? CEO, Chief Executive Officer is talented by T. Here O stands for octahydroids. T stands for tetrahydroids. Therefore, octahydroids present at E stands for edges. C stands for center of the body. Like that you should remember. Center of the body. Therefore, octahydroids located at edges and center of the body. Tetrahydroids present along the body diagonal. E stands for body diagonal. Along the body diagonal. Therefore, Na plus ions, small size ion present at octahydroids. Octahydroids are present at edges and center of the body. Next, coordination number. So it is also experimental fact. Last class we taught NaCl is octahedral arrangement. Octahedral arrangement means coordination number is 6. Coordination number 6 means each Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ions and each Cl minus ion surrounded by 6 Na plus ions and vice versa. Therefore, Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ions. Similarly, each Cl minus ion also surrounded by 6 Na plus ion. So, in that structure, so all these are the 3-dimensional structures we are not able to draw on the board. In that NaCl structure, each Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ions. Similarly, each Cl minus also surrounded by 6 Na plus ions. So if you are considering this Na plus ion surrounded by how many Cl minus ions? 6. Therefore, coordination number of Na plus equal to 6. Similarly, it is the Cl minus ion surrounded by how many Na plus ions? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, coordination number of Cl minus equal to 6. Next, anyhow examples not important memory base. What are the examples? Halides of alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Here don't write cesium. Cesium chloride is another type, BCC type. Next, in addition to that, ammonium chloride, ammonium bromide, ammonium iodide. Coordination number now only we discussed. Coordination number of Na plus C6, coordination number of Cl minus C6. Number of formula units per unit cell is 4 because it is FCC. It is what? FCC. Otherwise, just for understanding purpose I am considering how that 4 came. How that formula units came I am considering. Now, in the NaCl structure, Cl minus forms lattice. Lattice means FCC lattice. So FCC means particles present at corners. How many corners? 8 corners. So Na plus and Cl minus. Cl minus forms lattice. What lattice? FCC lattice. Na plus ions present at octahydroids. FCC means particles located at what places? 8 corners. 8 corners and 6 center of faces. 6 center of faces. Na plus ions present at octahydroids. Octahydroids means edges and center of the body. How many edges? 12 edges and 1 center of the body. 1 center of the body. See here. So Na plus ions present at octahydroids. Octahydroids present at edges and 1 center of the body. Therefore, total how many ions are there? 12 plus 1, 13 Na plus ions. And total how many Cl minus ions according to this? 8 present at corners, 6 present at faces. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. Now, number of particles per unit cell. Number of particles per unit cell, that equal to 12 into edges contribution factor what? In the beginning we taught our logic is breakfast eating chapati. BFEC, breakfast eating chapati. B stands for center of the body. F face, E edge, C corner. Number of units are shared. 1, double. Contribution factor. This is important. Reciprocals. 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Edge means contribution factor what? Cl minus ions. Cl minus ions present at 8 carbons and 6 faces. 8 into carbons contribution factor of 1 by 8 plus 6 into faces contribution factor of 1 by 2. So 1 plus 3, that equal to 4 Cl minus ions. Now, based on the way of asking, you can answer. If I will ask a small question, number of particles or ions per unit cell of NaCl. Question number 1. Number of ions, or because these are NaCl, nothing but ions. Number of ions per unit cell equal to how many ions are there? Here 4 Na plus, here 4 Cl minus. 4 Na plus 4 Cl minus, that equal to 8 ions. So in case of NaCl, how many ions are there per unit cell? It is an ionic structure. Therefore, here I wrote ions. Per unit cell is 8 ions. Instead of ions, if they are asking number of ion pairs, number of ion pairs are formula units, both are same. Number of ion pairs are formula units. Number of, this is important. Number of ion pairs are formula units. Formula units per unit cell equal to, per unit cell equal to how many ion pairs? Total ions are 8. Ions are 8. Ion pairs how many will come? 4 will come. Otherwise, if we will take the common factor 4, Na plus and Cl minus, this is nothing but one pair. Na plus and Cl minus, this is nothing but one pair. Therefore, how many pairs came? 4 pairs are there. This pair is nothing but formula unit. While writing the formula, we have to show the pair. For example, potassium chloride formula. Potassium chloride formula what? K plus Cl minus. Therefore, pair is nothing but formula unit. Both are same. Pair is nothing but formula unit. Therefore, last column is number of formula units per unit cell. So, number of formula units are nothing but number of ion pairs. Both are same. Number of ion pairs are formula units per unit cell equal to 4. Total number of ions means 8. How 8 came already we discussed. So therefore this last term formula units very important. So this is about first NaCl structure or rock salt structure. Just here you should remember that note. In 1 unit cell of NaCl, in 1 unit cell of NaCl, total number of Na plus ions in 1 unit cell of NaCl, total number of ions how many? 4. Total number of ions how many? 4. And total number of Cl minus is also 4. Total number of ions means 8. Next, this is rock salt type. Next one, cesium chloride type. In the AB type only second one, cesium chloride type. Cesium chloride type. So, arrangement of ions. Cesium chloride has BCC structure. It has BCC structure, body center cubic. BCC structure, point number 2. So BCC means particles located at corners and center of the body. Particles located at, BCC means particles located at corners and center of the body. For example, if Cl minus ions present at corners, Cl minus ions present at corners, and cesium plus ion present at center of the body, or vice versa. Vice versa means Cs plus is present at corners, Cl minus is present at center of the body. In case of FCC or CCP only, voids are there. In case of BCC, no voids. So here particles or ions are not present at voids. Next, point number 3. Each Cs plus ion is surrounded by 8 Cl minus ions and vice versa. So according to diagram, normally we draw the diagram. Center of the body is Cs plus. It is surrounded by how many corners? 8 corners of Cl minus. Therefore, each Cs plus ion is surrounded by 8 Cl minus ions and vice versa. Therefore, here I am writing coordination number of Cs plus equal to 8. Coordination number of Cl minus also equal to 8. 8 is to 8 type it is. So cesium chloride is nothing but 8 is to 8 type of solid. 8 is to 8 type is cesium plus is surrounded by 8 Cl minus. Cl minus is surrounded by 8 Cs plus. 8 is to 8 type. Examples: cesium chloride. You know, examples not important. Cesium bromide, cesium iodide. Number of formula units per unit cell they are asking. Directly we are not able to calculate cesium chloride. So here Cl minus present at corners. Therefore, how many corners? 8 corners. Cs plus is present at center of the body. Therefore, one center of the body. One center of the body. Therefore, number of particles per unit cell. Therefore, number of particles per unit cell. Per unit cell means one unit cell. One Cs plus is present at center of the body. Center of the body means contribution at 1 by 1. 8 Cl minus ions present at corners. Corners means 1 by 8. Therefore, one Cs plus and one Cl minus. Therefore, how many ions are there? 2 ions. So number of particles per unit cell equal to 2 ions. But here I am writing number of formula units. Here I am writing number of formula units are ion pairs. Both are same. Formula unit nothing but ion pair. Number of formula units are ion pairs. Therefore, how many ion pairs will come? 2 ions means 1 pair. One if you are taking the common factor. Cs plus and Cl minus. Therefore, don't get confused. So in cesium chloride, total number of particles per unit cell. Total number of particles per unit cell equal to 2. Ion pairs or formula units equal to 1. Therefore, here last column is not total number of ions. Don't get confused. Not total number of ions. Formula units are ion pairs. Formula units are ion pairs. Both are same. You have to rewrite like this. Formula units are ion pairs. 1. So this is cesium chloride type. Next, one more example. ZnS type. Arrangement of ions. Arrangement of ions. So one more. Third one. In the AB type only third one. ZnS. So first type of ionic solid is AB type. In the AB we studied about NaCl, cesium chloride. Next ZnS. ZnS whole name is zinc blend. Names also should remember. Chemical name is zinc sulfide. Chemical name zinc sulfide. Whole name zinc zinc blend. Old name is, it comes in metallurgy chapter, zinc sulfide or sphalerite. Sphalerite, SPHALERITE, old names, ZNS. Now, here a small logic I will give. If you are remembering the small logic, entire tabular form is easy. Except cesium chloride type, remaining all ionic structures are, then it is easy. Remaining all ionic compounds are FCC. So in our syllabus, what are there? Except cesium chloride BCC. Remaining all are FCC type. First you should eliminate like that. Then subject is easy. So except cesium chloride, except this one, remaining all are FCC. So NaCl, FCC. Na2O you don't know. It is not cesium chloride, FCC. So whatever may be there, all are FCC except cesium chloride. Cesium chloride is BCC. Therefore remaining all are FCC. Therefore ZNS structure you don't know. Therefore FCC. CaF2 you don't know, FCC. But cesium chloride are BCC. Therefore it is arrangement of ions. It has FCC or CCP structure. It has FCC another name, CCP structure. So it has FCC or CCP structure. Next, in the ZNS, Zn plus 2 and S minus 2 ions are there. So again here, in case of FCC or CCP, voids will come. In BCC only no voids. In FCC or CCP, voids are there. Whenever voids are there, always you should remember that small size ion is presented void, large size ion forms lattice. Here, out of Zn plus 1 S minus 2, S minus 2 is large size ion, anion. S minus 2 is large size ion. Large size ion always forms lattice. Large size ion always forms lattice. What type of lattice? FCC lattice. Therefore, FCC means particles present at corners and center of the face. Therefore, S minus 2 ion presented. The second point I will write. S minus 2 ion forms. S minus 2 ion forms FCC lattice. Why? Large size ion. S minus 2 ion forms FCC lattice. Hence, S minus 2 ions presented corners. FCC means corners and center of the face. S minus 2 ions presented 8 corners and 6 center of faces. Otherwise, simply on write down corners and face centers. Center of faces. So S minus 2 over large size ion over. Zn plus 2 ion small size ion. Small size ion. So generally small size ion presented voids. Here what type of voids means tetrahedral. So Zn plus 2 ions presented tetrahedral. According to experimental fact, Zn plus 2 occupies half of tetrahedral. Half of tetrahedral. It is the experimental fact. So in ZNS, Zn plus 2 presented alternating tetrahedral. Alternating tetrahedral is half of tetrahedral. It is the experimental fact. So S minus 2 large size ion forms lattice. Zn plus 2 small size ion presented tetrahedral, but not all tetrahedral. Half of tetrahedral. It is the experimental fact. Third one, Zn plus 2 present at half of tetrahedral. Half of TVs, tetrahedral voids. Half of tetrahedral. Next, one more last point. ZNS structure is similar to that of diamond structure. ZNS structure or diamond structure same. ZNS structure is similar to that of diamond structure. ZNS structure is similar to that of diamond structure. ZNS structure is similar to that of diamond structure. So ZNS structure and diamond structure both are same. Anyhow, examples not important. Examples: ZNO, CuCl, ZNO, CuCl, CuBr, CuI. These structures are similar to the ZNS structure. ZNS is nothing but zinc blende or sphalerite. Coordination number we have to identify. Now directly coordination number we don't know. Now coordination number we don't know. A small logic again. In ZNS2 ions and S-2 ions side by side in operator. It is the easiest logic. There is no need to buy out the coordination number. S-2 ion forms lattice, FCC lattice. S-2 forms FCC lattice. ZNS2 presented half of tetrahydroids. Half of tetrahydroids. What is the logic? We know that number of particles per unit cell of FCC how many? Number of particles per unit cell of FCC 4. Next, half of, we know that in any closed packing, how many particles are there? Same number of octahydroids, double the number of tetrahydroids. Here particles are 4, tetrahydroids double, therefore 2 into 4 8. Therefore 4 times. Here 4 Zn+2 and 4 S-. It is a ionic solid, therefore opposite charges are present side by side. Therefore each Zn+2 ion is surrounded by 4 S-2 ions. Opposite ions, because coordination number is nothing but oppositely charged ion surrounds. Therefore Zn+2 opposite ion what? S-2. How many are there? 4. Therefore each Zn+2 ion is surrounded by 4 S-. Therefore coordination number of Zn+2 equal to what? 4. Similarly, each S-2 surrounded by 4 Zn+2 ions. Because coordination number is nothing but opposite charged ions we have to see. So S-2 negative charge. Opposite is nothing but Zn+2. How many are there? 4. Therefore coordination number of S-2 equal to 4. So coordination number of Zn+2 is 4. Coordination number of S-2 also 4. Next, number of formula units per unit cell. It is a FCC arrangement. Therefore, how many formula units will come? 4. So this is about AB type structures. So by this AB type structures over. So second column is arrangement of ions. So AB type over. Next, second one is AB2 type structures. Total 3 types of structures are there: AB type, AB2 type, A2B type. So AB2 type structures. In that AB2 type, fluoride structures. Fluoride is nothing but calcium fluoride, CaF2 type structures. CaF2 type structures, fluoride type structures. AB2 fluoride type structures. So our always is to remember the logic. Except cesium chloride type. Except cesium chloride type. Cesium chloride are BCC. Remaining are FCC. The logic you should remember this entire table form easy. Very important. Based on the fluoride and anti-fluoride, next will come. Previous NEET exam they ask you questions. So how we have to buy what is table form? First of all, you should eliminate cesium chloride. Cesium chloride type is BCC. Remaining all are FCC. Therefore, first point it has FCC structure. First point it has FCC structure. FCC nothing but CCP, both are same. It has FCC structure. Now, our next point number 2. So here also, whenever FCC or CCP there, voids will occupy. Only in BCC, no occupancy of voids, but in FCC or CCP, voids will come. Whenever voids will come, our logic one, small size ion presented voids, large size ion forms lattice. Now, in CaF2, Ca plus